Ladies and gentlemen, my video is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are coming from this strange website, Rgagetnizations.xyz. Rgagetnizations.xyz. Of course, it's even hard to properly pronounce this name of the website. That doesn't really make up any sense. Still, this website may periodically appear in your browser, and it may tell you that you need to click on Allow button, supposedly to help you continue your browsing. If you click on Allow, that's a mistake, and because of that, you may be redirected to some malicious websites. Because of that, you will start receiving a lot of pop-up ads that will keep attacking your screen in the form of permanent and pretty intrusive push notifications. In case you have mistakenly clicked on Allow button, it's time to fix your browser. Access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, then in Permissions choose Notifications. Pay careful attention to all these websites that are allowed to send notifications, and if you find this junk website, you should remove it from the list, and also remove other similar deceptive sites. In order to make sure that your computer is free of any other possibly hidden threats or infections, I would recommend investigating your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.